Good morning, everyone. This is Karl. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Karl F. Rose, recording for Bedford, Pennsylvania, on Tuesday, February 2nd, 2021. And as you can see, we got some snow for the last couple of days, and the snowstorm has finally passed. I'm going to go out in the back and do a YouTube short on it as well. I can get my ruler out and I'll show you how many inches we got. Probably about 5 or so. But this is just a brief video. This is going to go on my YouTube shorts as well. And I'm going to put this up to TikTok. And for all those of you on TikTok, if you don't know, YouTube has YouTube Shorts. I'll do a separate video on that. Talk to you later. Okay, this is Karl F. Rose again, and recording from Bedford, Pennsylvania on Tuesday, February 2nd, 2021. And here we have my ruler stuck in the snow. I hope you can read that. But anyway, we got about 6 inches of snow. We've had more in the past. I've had more than 12 inches before. We've had like 20-something inches before. But anyway, that's what we got. Here's a little view of the backyard here. And, okay, all right.